Okay then gang, so now we're able to make a post request to add a new book using HTMX post, and currently we're sending back a really simple HTML response, which is an li tag including the book title and author. Now actually we want to send back the same template we have for every other book in this list. So we're going to do that in this lesson, and to do that we'll actually be setting up a new GET request handler for a single book and then redirecting to that endpoint from the post request handler. Now, technically speaking, we could just return the correct HTML template from this post request handler. But the reason I want to set up a separate GET handler for this is because we're separating the logic a bit more this way, and we're making endpoints more reusable, because then in the future, if we want to send a GET request for a single book, we already have that set up. And in terms of this post request response, we're just going to redirect to that GET handler for a simple single book. Cool. So now let's flesh this out. So I'm going to say app.get, and then the route is going to be /books and then /. Then we need to add on a route parameter, so colon and then ID. And a route parameter is just a changeable part of the route. It depends on the ID of the book, so it could be 1, 2, or something else. Okay, so then after that we need a handler function where we're taking the request object and the response object, and we can do something then inside this function. Okay, so what do we want to do then? Well, the first thing we want to do is grab this ID to find out what book we actually want to find in the data array. And the way we do that is by using request.params. So to get the ID, it would be request.params.id, like so. Now I'm going to destructure it, so I will just say const and then curly braces ID is equal to request.params. So now we have the ID, and we need to find the book with the ID in the book's data. So we'll say the const book is equal to books underscore data, and then we're going to use the find method. Now this find method fires a function, and the function takes in the individual book each time, and it fires this function for each book inside the book's data. We want to return the book where the book ID, so this book, b.id, is equal to the ID that we have here, where we have a match, essentially. So what we're saying is return the book to us right here, whereby the ID of the book is equal to the ID that we send the request to, this route parameter. So now we have that book. All we need to do is send a response. We can say response.send, and then we already have the template for a single book. It's this thing right here. So we can just use this function, create book template. So I can say send create book template. I'm going to import that and invoke it. We need to pass in a book as an argument, and we have that book right here. So let's pass it in, book, like so. And let's make sure it imported up here. Yes, it has. I'm going to place it above the data just so the functions are in one place and we have the data at the bottom. Awesome. All right, so now we have this endpoint, and right here inside the post request, we want to redirect to this endpoint. So instead of response.send, we can say response.redirect, and then the path is /books and then /, and then we need the ID. And we have the ID right here. We created the ID for that new book. So we can just output it right at the end of here. And in fact, let's use a template string. So backticks, and we'll output the ID inside the curly braces, like so. Okay, so let's just recap what happens here when we submit the form to add a new book. First, we send that post request using HXPost along with any form data. Then we handle that request and add a new book to the data. Once we've done that, we redirect the user to this route for a single book. Inside that route, we find the book and use the create book template to make a template for the book, a single li tag, and we send that back to the browser. Now back in the front-end HTML, on the button that triggers the post request, we specify a target and swap strategy for the HTML response, so that it gets put at the end of the book list UL. And that's everything. So let's try this out in a browser. Okay then, so let's try adding this new book. We'll call this The Name of the Wind. And this is by Patrick Rothfuss. And then I'm going to add the book. Hopefully we'll see that new template right here. Awesome. So that, my friends, is now all working.